23rd August is celebrated as National Space Day. This particular day was declared by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Our soft landing of Chandrayaan-3 Vikram lander with Pragyan Rover on South Pole of the Moon. Since India's first interplanetary mission, Mangalyaan, and we were successful in first attempt. Recently, ISRO has also launched Suryayaan, what is called Aditya L1 mission. Hello friends, I hope you all are doing very well. So welcome to Amigos IAS. Myself Nachiketa, Faculty of Science and Technology and Environment. You know that as a subject of science and technology becomes very important for prelims and main examination. And a very important topic, space and astronomy, where UPSC and all other competitive exams questions are asked. Now 23rd August is celebrated as National Space Day. You all know that National Space Day, 23rd August, this particular day was declared by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, on 23rd August as National Space Day to commemorate our soft landing of Chandrayaan-3 Vikram lander with Pragyan Rover on South Pole of the Moon. Since Chandrayaan-3 mission, our lunar mission, is a very important space mission for our space program, ISRO's space mission, and we have gone for 3 such Chandrayaan missions, and we are now gearing up for the 4th mission. Very soon in the future, ISRO will try with 4th Chandrayaan mission, where we will also try to bring the sample of moon back to the earth. Moon has always been a fascinating for mankind, right from prehistory time. We call moon by different names, Chandra, Chanda Mama, many such names are there. There have been rhymes and stories and lot of things about moon. Even mythology has a moon mentioned there. So our Chandrayaan mission in terms of scientific exploration to find out the presence of water, look out for the atmospheric gases, even study the deep craters of the moon. We will be getting a lot of important data which will help us understand even our own origin of solar system plus our own earth where we all live. Chandrayaan mission being a landmark mission, but if we go back, India's first interplanetary mission, Mangalyaan, and we were successful in first attempt by sending an orbiter, what is called Mangalyaan or MOM, Mars Orbiter Mission, going to planet Mars, red planet Mars. We have done this in very first attempt. Even NASA failed in first attempt, and it was very low budget kind of mission there. You all have seen the movie Mangalyaan, which is inspired by all the real aspect of all women scientists who worked to make this mission Mangal a successful space program. Recently, ISRO has also launched Suryayaan, what is called Aditya L1 mission, and we are now the 3rd country in the world after US NASA and European Space Agency to go to Lagrange point 1 between Sun and the Earth, which is 15 lakh kilometers away from the Earth. And our Aditya mission with 7 payload is studying Sun, trying to understand coronal mass ejection, solar tsunami, solar waves. We are trying to study about magnetic field of the Sun. We are trying to study the temperature of corona of the Sun. All this scientific exploration we are trying to get about the Sun. Again, in this area of solar study, right, we are one of the top ranking countries in the world. If we look at moon mission, Chandrayaan mission, we are again in top 5 countries of the world. If we look at interplanetary mission, Mars mission, we are again the top 5 countries in the world. Dear friends, you also know we are also going for another very big mission, Gaganyaan, right? That is where Indian astronauts, right, will be taken by our GSLV LVM-3 rocket to the low Earth orbit. They will stay there and come back safely to the Earth. Rakesh Sharma, squadron leader Rakesh Sharma, 1984 he went to the outer space with the help of Soviet Union that time, what is right now Russia. Well, you know that time Prime Minister asked Mr. Rakesh Sharma how India looks like, and he said, "Sare jahan se अच्छा Hindustan Hamara. Same dream that where our own astronauts trained in India to go to the outer space and see our country, right? Great India, great Bharat, that is going to materialize very soon. And we are full-fledged preparation of our Gaganyaan mission. You know that already 4 astronauts, right? They have been brought to the public and they are getting complete training to get prepared for this mission there. Even if you look at our space program and review the last 75 years of progress, so what we find that India has been very successful in building the launch vehicles. PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, GSLV, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. Now the heaviest rocket, LVM-3. We have been successful in developing SSLV, Small Satellite Launch Vehicle. Not only that, even we are now developing our RLV, Reusable Launch Vehicle, which will in future take human astronaut to the space and bring them back, same as America's space shuttle. Our space program last 75 years has evolved in such a way that we have been successful in building many types of satellites, spacecrafts. India has one of the largest constellation of communication satellites, INSAT, GSAT, multi-purpose satellite system, broadcasting, then radio communication, TV, DTH, disaster management, meteorology. We are having all such services there. Even India has been successful developing remote sensing Earth observation satellites, and we have the complete constellation of Earth observation satellite for meteorology, for oceanography, disaster management, natural resource. We have all this. Not only that, India has been also successful developing NAVIC, navigation with Indian constellation. That is what is called IRNSS, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. Our own regional GPS for our security, for our navigation, air, land, water, maritime, everything. Very soon, we have also dream of building our own space station, Bharti Antariksh Station, that will be completed by 2036. So we have so many missions ahead, right? What ISRO has planned. So we are top 5 countries in the world, and Chandrayaan-3 mission, that soft landing, was a great moment for Indians. We are very much proud of ISRO that we soft landed on the southern pole of the moon to understand the temperature, soil composition, minerals, even ice like water to detect there. Our Chandrayaan-1 journey started way back in 2008, where with orbiter program, then Chandrayaan-2 with orbiter, lander and rover. Although we unfortunately was not able to land on the moon in Chandrayaan-2, but third mission we were successful. And you all know that the landing site of Chandrayaan-3 Vikram lander, named after Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, father of space program, that site has been named as Shiv Shakti. And the site where Chandrayaan-2 that time failed to land, we have given the name Tiranga. Now Chandrayaan-3, 23rd August, and Shiv Shakti, and with the Vikram landing and with that Pragyan Rover, we have been exploring the moon. So that great moment for all Indians, our country, 23rd August has been marked as National Space Day. This year, National Space Day theme is Touching Lives While Touching the Moon, India's Space Saga. And lot of events have been outlined today for different type of programs in terms of celebration of what I said about Chandrayaan-3 mission. That will all lined up, and to create lot of events to motivate people and showcase our achievements in space program. And who knows, even the schools, college, universities, everywhere, India in the case of space program, the space race, one day in terms of commercialization, bringing private players to the space program, Azadi Sat by Indian Space Kids company, number of startups. India has already formed NSIL, New Space India Limited. We are helping to launch foreign satellites. Now our domestic startups, domestic space sector is going to go much further ahead in Make India program. So there are great things lined up in future for our space program. So National Space Day, 23rd August, is in commemoration of all such achievements of our space program by ISRO, different space agencies, our scientists. Let's celebrate this day and wish heartiest congratulations to ISRO, our scientists, our government, our people. So to learn about such kind of thing, be connected with us in Amigos, right? Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.